Good morning, Seafried with the morning grain comments. We've got beans up 7 cents, corn up a penny, and wheat's up 4 cents. Outside markets, stocks are higher, dollars lower. Crude's about unchanged near the $74 a barrel area, and gold's a little bit higher. When we look at the charts, March soybeans finding support at this $12 area. Could be some consumer buying, but technically oversold. Open interest continues to increase from the lows of December 27th, suggesting new shorts in the marketplace. In the corn, again, trying to hold this 440 support area. You can see a tremendous amount of increase in open interest. From December 14th, we had 1.248 million contracts. Now we got 1.54. So a lot of increase in net short positions in the corn market. And in the wheat, kind of similar story. Right now we're trying to hold this yesterday's low at the 573 area, with open interest increasing since December 13th with new shorts in the marketplace. As far as news, overnight, continued to see some concern about weather. Cold temperatures maybe delaying some meal movement. We've got some showers occurring in Brazil, but it is dry across especially southern Argentina. Northern hemisphere weather is okay. U.S. a little dry across parts of Iowa, Nebraska, down into the Delta, but the drought monitor index is quite a bit better today than it was a year ago at this time. A big range of ideas on Brazil's soybean crop, from a low of 135 to a high of 155 million tons. China, though, there's talk about them in the market to buy Brazil's soybeans, which is offering support to that market. Argentina rated their soybean crop 55% good to excellent versus 51 last week and 4 last year. And there is talk about India buying Argentina soybean oil. We've got a firm domestic basis in beans as crushers try to buy beans with crush margins positive, while the export markets are continue to offer lower basis levels with lower export demand. The Dalian futures, soybean meal, palm oil, soybean oil were all higher. Corn was also a little bit higher. The Red Sea tension is lowering European corn prices, causing concern about logistics. And we saw a little bit of bounce in the wheat markets, maybe cold weather supporting especially Minneapolis and KC futures. We've got export sales today: beans 400 to 900,000 tons versus 280 last week. Corn 500 to 1.2 million tons versus 487 last week. And wheat 150 to 500 versus 128. Again, no daily announcements of new China buying U.S. beans. A lot of question marks on how much corn China will buy with this record crop and record imports, especially from Brazil. And then we're looking at world wheat trade, mostly done by Europe and Russia at cheaper prices than U.S.